Hey people, how are you? Today our lesson is how to download column chart in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Follow me step by step. At first you have to open your sheets. Now we can see here already we created the table on this column chart. Now I am select the column chart table, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu and here the chart option. Now I am click this. Then we can see here the setup of chart. Now I'm click the chart type drop down menu and select the column chart. Here three column chart, stacked column chart or 100% stacked column chart or the single column chart. Now I'm select the single column chart. You can customize this column chart here. Customization option. You can change the chart style, otherwise added the axis title or series, legend, etc. Now I'm close the window. Now I want to download the chart. Click this more option and choose the download chart option. You can download any format like PNG, PDF or SVG. Now I am download on PDF format. Then we can see here the downloaded file. Now I am open the file on another tab, drag on another tab and we can see here the downloaded column chart. I hope you understand this video. This video is helped you. Don't forget to like, comment and share the channel. Thanks for watching.